Meaning of E Nesbit.
E Nesbit.
E Nesbit.
E Nesbit.
E Nesbit. E Nesbit is the pen name of Edith Nesbit, a British author who lived from 1858 to 1924. She is best known for her children's books, including The Railway Children and 5 Children and It. Her writing style was innovative for its time, as it blended fantasy with realism and focused on the lives of ordinary children. Nesbit also played a key role in the formation of the Fabian Society, a socialist organization that had a significant impact on British politics. Overall, Edith Nesbit was a highly influential figure in children's literature and progressive politics in late 19th and early 20th century Britain.